Hey guys, Blight here. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be making another game for another video once again. I've not done this in a year, but I'm back, I guess. Yeah, I'm doing a game jam hosted by Game Maker's Toolkit, and I'm going to be joining it with Luke, my good old pal. But yeah, no, apparently it's going to be 4 days, the amount of time that we'll have, so at least I'll be able to make something better than I did in 1 hour, right? Right?
GMTK Game Jam 2024
Yes,
begins
I know what a game jam
right
is.
now.
Holy.
Your goal over the next 4 days is to make a game that fits the following theme: built to scale. That's right. I want to see games that make size, scale, and dimensions a key part of the gameplay. I want to see games about teeny tiny microscopic things. I want to see games about absolutely enormous, cosmically massive things. I want to see games where big things become small and small things become big. As always, you can interpret this theme however you like. Use it as a jumping off point. So get creative, think outside the box, and surprise us. In this jam, you can work with who you want, use whatever tools you like, and make use of whatever assets you can get your hands on. But please do check out the GMTK Game Jam page on itch.io for the complete rules. You can also head to our Discord channel to chat with other jammers, show off your work, and get feedback. Remember that this year you're getting twice as much time as before, so please use those extra hours to take lots of breaks and get some sleep. Anyway, I'd better let you get started. Best of luck, have fun, and I'll see you when the results are in.
Well,
Alright, now we gotta figure out how to get Unity Cloud working. So, just for some context, me and Luke were very new to this whole working on one project thing. So, we ended up spending like an hour or 30 minutes just trying to figure out how to get in the same damn project. It was not enjoyable, I should say.
I do have the cube, yes.
In a different scene completely.
In the test scene.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the sample scene.
Okay,
alright?
hold on.
I see the canvas!
Adding.
I see the canvas!
Oh.
I just had to go to the different scene. Okay, that was a bit goofy. Is work?
Okay.
It is work.
So
You did it.
now, what game are we gonna make?
So the next part of this game jam is to figure out what kind of game we're gonna make. So we got to the whiteboard, and Luke suggested an idea where maybe the player, if they move to the right, they extend, and if they move to the left, they contract. At first, it seemed very simple, but actually, it had lots of potential. I was like, wait, maybe we can add a fan, and the fan can push the player without changing their size. Or maybe you can have a lever to freeze your size whenever you want. And then that way you can get to small places when you're already tiny and hop up to big places when you're big. Maybe that could be the core concept for a puzzle game. Who knows? So we got to work. So after we were done planning, we moved on to the alpha stage. Basically, in the alpha stage, we had to start building our primary components, like the player, the ability to change size, the fan, the boxes, the levers, all of that stuff. We have to do this before we can actually start building our levels, because we can't do both at the same time, because it's going to be really terrible for time management, which is extremely important in this game jam. And I can't really tell you how important it is to make sure you get the game inside the game jam before time is up, because if you do it an hour before the game jam ends, you're going to have more than 10,000 people uploading it at the exact same time, and itch.io servers are not going to enjoy that. Okay, let's figure out how to make tile maps now. Okay, there we go. We got a tile palette. We have to make our tile palette. I think I'm gonna look at the tutorial again. I'm gonna take this yes.
Update the Visual Studio.
Oh, I fixed it. Never mind. Here we go. So after making the tile map, I decided to do some more configuration, player controls, you know, make it all smooth and all that jazz. And the next part was to basically combine me and Luke's code, which is bound to get interesting, as none of us had ever done that before.
So currently, I made the sizing really, like, slow, but you can change it. Oh, yours isn't a cylinder collider though.
No, it is not. So after me and Luke's code were finally working in unison, we decided to move on to the next step and start making our mechanics. But before we could do that, we noticed one potential issue where maybe the player gets too big inside of a tiny passageway and gets trapped. So Luke decided he would do that and I would work on the mechanics, like the fan. Alright, I think I'm gonna leave all this for today. So, yeah, that's the entire video. I'm not kidding. I know it seems very short, but I mean, there are a lot of things I didn't include because it'd probably just bore the hell out of you. So, yeah, day 2 is coming tomorrow. We just be able to make levels and put those mechanics to work. That was the plan. At least. But anyways, that's for another time, alright? For now, check out the game if you want. It's in the description down below. With that, lay down.